If you are tired of watching a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make money online, then this video is perfect video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income using Fiverr without providing services. In fact, I've used this method once and already made over $30. So the method I'm going to show you is a real case study. Behind the scenes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that I've taken to make $30 with just one simple step. In fact, the more you use this system, the more money you will make. And the best part is you only need 10 minutes to set up this system. And you don't need to provide services like graphic design, voiceover, website, or any kind of services at all. And I promise this video contains so much valuable information you'll never find anywhere else. Now before we get started, I want to announce a giveaway winner from my recent video. So I use this tool to pick a winner. I'll simply copy the link of my recent video and paste it over here and choose to pick a winner. So congratulations Martin for winning a $2,000 course that will teach you how to make $1,000 a day or more with affiliate marketing. And to receive the course, make sure you send me a message to my Instagram and I'll send you there. Now if you want to win a $2,000 course, make sure you watch this video till the end and comment anything you want, because this software will automatically pick a winner who watches this entire video and comments anything random. Now let's dive in the process of how to make passive income using Fiverr without providing services. So the business model is called Fiverr affiliate marketing. The best part about this business model is you don't need to provide services like videography, graphic design, logo design, or any kind of services in the planet Earth. Instead, you only have to promote other people's services who are using Fiverr, and you'll get paid from $15 up to $150 depending on what service your first time buyer purchased. Now, in case you're wondering what service to promote and where to promote and how to get free traffic, this video will show you how. Step 1, go to affiliates.fiverr.com. Click join now. Enter your details and hit next, then you'll land on this page. And here you'll see how much money you made. As you can see, I've already made over $30. And here's you'll see how many clicks you get, the number of people that register from your link, so on and so forth. Now to start promoting the service, first you will need to do some research. This brings us to step 2, finding an evergreen niche YouTube thumbnail. As a lot of people don't know how to create YouTube thumbnails or they don't have time to, this is where the opportunity comes in and we can use it for our advantage. Step 3, keyword research. Whenever you are trying to promote a service, make sure people are searching for it. So head over to WordStream keyword research tool. I'll also leave a link below. It's a free keyword research tool that provides accurate search data that people are searching in Google every single month. So type here how to make YouTube thumbnails like Mr. Beast. In case you're wondering why am I searching about Mr. Beast, that's because Mr. Beast is a famous YouTuber and a lot of people want to know how to create thumbnails like Mr. Beast. So I'll hit search, and as you can see, the search volume for this keyword in the United States is 260. Which means there are more searches from other countries as well. And the second benefit is that the competition is very low, which is a very good news for you, because we're gonna be using a very special website that will help us to rank our content on the first page of Google, and you don't have to write a single line of words because we're gonna be using ChatGPT to create content. Now that you have researched about your niche or service you're going to promote, the fourth step is to find the service and create your affiliate link. So head over to Fiverr and you want to type here Mr. Beast thumbnail, and after that click on seller details and select level 1 and hit apply. This will give you all the relevant seller with good reputation, which will help you to get more sales. As you can see, this person has made over 81 sales and this person has made over 24 sales. So click any of these, and after that head over to your Fiverr affiliate dashboards, and what you want to do is you want to click on this marketing tool and then click here to defaults and deep links, and here you'll see the Fiverr CPA link, which will allow you to earn up to $150 every time when someone purchases the service through your affiliate link. So click on LP URL, and then what you want to do is go back to Fiverr and copy this link before the context and paste it over here, and then click on LP URL again, and this will be our affiliate link. Every time when someone purchases the service through this link, you will make up to $150 over and over again. So copy that, open in a new tab, and as you can see, it redirects us to the service that we want to promote. So I want you to paste it in a notepad for later use. Now that we have learned about how to find high converting services, the last step is to promote the service, and for that we're gonna be using Quora and ChatGPT. The best thing about Quora is it makes it very easy to rank our content on the top 3 results of Google. So go to Quora, click add a question, and write here how to make YouTube thumbnails like Mr. Beast, and then click add to a question again. As I've already mentioned, this keyword has a monthly search volume of 260 in the United States alone. Consider how many more people are searching for this keyword worldwide. Another great benefit of targeting this keyword is its very low competition, which will help us to rank our content as the first result in Google. Now what you want to do is copy this link from your question and paste it in a notepad, because we're gonna be using different account to post the answer of our own question. So create another account in Quora, then simply copy your Quora link from the notepad and paste it here. This will bring us to your question. So copy this question, head over to ChatGPT and paste it over here and hit enter, and it will instantly give you the answer from that question. So copy it, come back to Quora and paste it to the answer. And after that, right here, if you want someone to make a professional YouTube thumbnail just like Mr. Beast, consider following this link. Now what you want to do is copy your affiliate link from your notepad, highlight this text, click on this icon, and then click on this link icon again and paste your affiliate link over here and click post. I allow you to post at least 10 different posts with different services, because making money online requires some time and consistent. Now, if you want to learn how thousands of people are making millions of dollars a month with affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend you to click on the first link in the description below. And last but not least, if you like the value so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out every time I post a new video.